Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to copy your Instagram link. So this is the link that leads to your profile. I'll show you guys exactly how to copy it so that you can send it to other people or post it online. So if you want to copy the link to your Instagram profile, then it's pretty easy. Instagram recently added the option where you can just copy it and you don't have to go to the actual Instagram website. So I'll show you guys exactly how to do that. But first things first, you have to head over to the Instagram app. So just open the Instagram app, and once you open it, you'll be brought to the home page. Let me do that real quick. So you click on the Instagram app, and you'll be brought to the home page right here. On the home page, you want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. You'll be brought to this page here. On this page, you want to click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on that, all these options will show up here, but you want to look for the option that says QR code. It's the fourth option down for me, but it might be different for you. Once you find the option for QR code, click on it. It'll bring you to this page here, and as you can see, there's a QR code. If you want people to find your account with the QR code, they can scan this by clicking on the button at the top right corner of the screen once again. That will bring up a camera. You can scan QR codes with this. This will bring you straight to the QR code's account. But if you want to copy the link, right below the QR code, there's the copy link option and the share link option. If you click on the share link option, then you'll be able to copy it like that, or you can just share it straight to messages or Telegram, anything like that. But if you want to copy the link, just click on copy link and it will copy it to your clipboard. That is how you copy your link on Instagram. So as you can see, if I head over to my DMs and I send it, let me go to this person right here and unblock them. There's my second account, but as you can see, if I send it and paste it, if I paste it and send it, then it is the link to my profile. If I click on it, it brings me straight to my account or my profile. So that is how you copy your link on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.